Hey guys, this is Andy with CDA Idaho. I hope you guys are doing well. If you would you please take a second to hit the like button on this video. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. It helps us out tremendously. Anyways, I'm really excited about what I have to show you guys today. I've been filming eagles out at Higgins Point, and there's this one clip I captured this last week where I didn't understand what I was seeing at the time until I brought that clip home and slowed it down. And I think it's best to just show you. Let's take a look. That was amazing. I can't believe I captured that on video. In real life, I thought the two eagles were fighting. And then I got home, I slowed the footage down, and I was just like, whoa, one eagle's chucking his fish to the other eagle mid-air, and the two are like super coordinated, and like, is one a parent of the other? Like, what's the relationship between these two eagles that one gives his fish to the other eagle? It's incredible. Like, that happened in real life. We got to see it. Anyways, I'm a little excited about this clip. So this clip will be included in like the bigger eagle video that I do later on, but I just had to show you guys this clip right now. It's so cool. Anyways, if you haven't gotten a chance to go see the eagles at Higgins Point, go do it. It's super fun. I mean, some days you go out there, it's kind of slow, but some days you go out there and there's just things hopping. You know, eagles are doing cool things all the time. So thanks for watching this video. Again, hit the like button if you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Again, leave a comment, let me know what you think, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.